Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here though, hello. So today, as you can already tell, this is gonna be another one of my like super easy, fast, healthy, quick, affordable recipes. This is gonna be one of my favorite. I like to call it like a beginner salad because anytime I use like iceberg lettuce, I don't know why I consider that like a beginner salad. Just iceberg lettuce is super simple, pairs well with anything and everything basically because it has like no flavor when you compare it to like spinach, you know? So I feel like iceberg lettuce is a beginner salad, just what I like to call it. Okay. And I feel like when people like start to get into eating salads more, you're usually gonna reach for iceberg lettuce because again, it doesn't taste like anything. And it's easy to mix and match with tons of different ingredients. I know right now it's a little bit harder to get a hold of a lot of ingredients. So this salad here doesn't include too many things, which is nice, but it's gonna be super healthy. You guys know I'm on keto also, so that's why I'm using the avocado, and I wanted to kind of make like the salad dressing with an avocado. But so you don't need too much for this salad. I want to call it a beginner salad for this first one. You don't need too many ingredients and it's so good, very healthy. So obviously we're using the iceberg lettuce and then we're gonna put in some onions, carrots, and then basically I used the avocado as the salad dressing because if you guys don't know, I'm not really into salad dressings because I just feel like it's unnecessary calories, fats, all that. So I usually just use olive oil as my salad dressing, and trust me, the more you have salads, the more you will get used to eating and the flavor of the salads. It came out weird. I always say like the cleaner you eat, the cleaner you're gonna crave because your body, the more you eat healthy foods, you're gonna start to enjoy them more and more and more. So let's get on in to making this, my numero uno beginner salad. And yes, I filmed this a different day because I forgot to do an intro and an outro. So I do it on a separate date. So first ingredients, I'm using the iceberg lettuce as the base salad. An avocado, just one. Then I'm adding some onions. Luckily, these were already chopped up in this container like this. Just regular onions. Some cheese. In here I have Parmesan and Asiago. And some shredded carrots. Olive oil, I'm using this as my salad dressing, you guys know, along with the pepper flakes. And some salt. So that's everything you're going to need for the salad. Obviously your bowl or plate that you're going to be putting it in. Duh. So I'm going to start just by picking through the lettuce, finding the best pieces, taking out, edges that I don't really like that might be a little bit browned. Don't want that in my salad. I'm going through and really breaking up all of my lettuce. I like to have really small pieces so that I can kind of eat it with a spoon, more like a chopped salad. So just breaking this up into small, teeny, tiny pieces. And if you can see anyone in the background, it's my mom. She doesn't like being in the videos, so I try to crop her out. But so I'm just breaking all of the lettuce up into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, I'm going to be adding in the ingredients that are kind of already chopped up. So adding in some onions, but I'm actually going to break them into even smaller pieces because they're still kind of large. And like I said, I kind of like more like a chopped type salad, so I like everything to be pretty small. So I'm just breaking these kind of in half again and then just dropping those in. Ta-da! Just place them into the bowl. And now I'm adding in the carrots. Luckily these are already kind of shredded, so again I can just throw these on in the bowl. a good handful of those. Ta-da! I'm not gonna do that every time. Now, I forgot to mention an egg, so I'm also adding in 1 egg. But so I'm going in and shredding the cheese first. It looks like I'm adding a little bit of both of what I have. If you guys see if you have seen any of my grocery hauls, you guys know I always buy like the same cheeses, Asiago and the Parmesan cheese. The first one was the Parmesan. This one right here is the Asiago. Just kind of grate a little bit of that. I don't really like this type of cheese with avocado, but for this salad it's good. Now for the more difficult ingredients, I'm just cutting through and cutting apart this avocado, and it's nice and soft, so it'll be able to kind of mix around. This is also going to kind of be like the salad dressing, because like I mentioned all the time, I don't really like salad dressing, so the avocado mixed with the olive oil is going to kind of be like my salad dressing. This one I did have to kind of pick through a little bit. There was some brown spots. It wasn't bad, could have put all of it in there, but I don't really like brown spots from the avocado. So I'm just going to get as much as I can out of this one and just put that all into the bowl. And my egg was trying to roll and run away from me, but so I'm just going to crack open the egg in a second here after this rolls around for like an hour. Alright, so here I am cracking open the egg, already peeled it and everything, and then again just kind of cutting this up into small bite-sized pieces. I'm mainly concerned about the white part of the egg because obviously the yolk is going to get nice and chopped up as I mix the salad around, but I really wanted to make sure that the white pieces, the white parts of the egg was chopped pretty nicely. Again though, I usually kind of break these pieces up with my spoon if I need to as I'm eating my salad, since they're easy to break apart with a spoon. And now I'm just going to add a tiny bit of salt. This is just to go with the avocado, and I'm adding in my pepper flakes. Usually I don't add salt, but I like adding salt on my avocado. But so here's everything mixed together in the bowl before I add the olive oil and kind of mix it around. And now we're adding in the olive oil, which is going to serve as our salad dressing. So I'm just going to drizzle a good amount of that in because I do want to mix nicely with the avocado, make a nice creamy type salad dressing. So here's everything with the olive oil. Ta-da! I don't know what I was saying. Clearly I had a lot to say. And now I'm just mixing everything around to make a really nice mixed chopped salad. I'm kind of squishing everything and chopping up further the egg, and just really want to make sure that the avocado is mixed, chopped up, and is all over all of the lettuce. We want all the ingredients totally mixed together. This is just my fave salad, okay? And then we eat the salad. I didn't want you guys to hear me chewing and everything in this video, so you don't have to. But it was good. This is my all-time favorite simple, easy beginner salad. So good, easy, fast. It's just good. So that is it for this video. That is it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love making this salad because it's super easy. You don't need too many ingredients, but there's still ingredients that are really yummy and mix well together. Especially now, there's not too many. It's a little bit more difficult to get ingredients. But I feel like weirdly, at least at the stores around me that I've seen, we're still getting fresh produce at the grocery store. It's really just like frozen stuff. It's a little bit harder to get because people are trying to make it last longer, so they're buying frozen stuff. Makes sense. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys try out this recipe. Let me know your guys' thoughts on using an avocado as like your salad dressing, kind of sort of mixed with like olive oil. Let me know how that goes for you if you try it out. Muchísimas gracias for watching this video. Hope you guys subscribe if you have not. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys want to see more of my recipes, especially now that we're all at home, cooking at home, all the goodness. So yeah, muchísimas gracias, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.